Pumpkin oil is an extremely beneficial oil, so its everyday use can provide fantastic health effects. It contains more than 60% unsaturated fatty acids, and it is high in vitamin C, E, A, and K. This oil also includes the B group vitamins, minerals, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, proteins, traces of manganese, iron, zinc, lecithin, and salicylic acid. Due to all this, it is extremely useful in the treatment of numerous health issues, as it treats cardiovascular diseases, boosts the immune system, improves the quantity and quality of sperm, promotes normal renal function, regulates the problem of an enlarged prostate, regulates cholesterol, heals burns and various skin diseases, improves eyesight, treats hair loss, treats urinary tract infections in men and women, enhances the complexion, aids in the case of irritable bowel syndrome and intestinal parasites, enhances mood. In order to enjoy the medicinal properties of pumpkin oil, you should consume it for more than 3 months, and take 2 tablespoons, twice a day, with your breakfast and dinner. Note that you mustn't interrupt this treatment in the first few weeks, and even though you may experience certain issues, you should prolong the use of this oil for 6 more weeks. This oil has powerful antibacterial properties that will treat inflammation, so in the treatment of enlarged prostate, it will retire within a few days or weeks. Yet, this does not indicate that you have stopped the prostate enlargement process, so you should continue the treatment. In the case of benign prostatic hyperplasia, you should consult your doctor before using this oil. Note that this oil should be kept in tightly sealed bottles, in a dark, cool place. As soon as you open the bottle, it would be best to store it in the fridge. Pumpkin oil is also commonly used in the pharmaceutical industry, in preparations for skincare and treatment. Due to its strong anti-inflammatory properties, it also successfully treats acne. Furthermore, pumpkin oil is also used in cooking, in the preparation of various salads, pasta, meat, rice, vegetables, and mushrooms. Hence, its regular use will significantly improve your health.